and today we starting the series or the 2 or 3 videos that we're gonna do on the big box. So I already told y'all about the big box and all the stuff in here that we got to put on before Wednesday or before Mopar Heaven. Basically all this stuff got to be put on. So today it is currently Saturday, and the first thing that we're gonna put on, we're gonna start with the more intensive items, are these. So let me go show y'all what these are. So these 2 items are, one is side marker light. That's what the white package is, the side marker. And then you kind of already saw what was in the other box. This box is the cords to go to the side markers. As y'all seen earlier in the developments of the car, I just took these cords out so I could wire the side marker. I already got the trim open on the side over here, and I'm about to run this through there, bang bang bang, and out through the bottom there, so it go through the bumper. So I still need to take the bumper off, but I already tested the side marker. So hold on, let me show y'all. Y'all see the side markers red, and they already tinted black, so it worked. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and loom this up, bring this through here, and get it to shoot out through the backs. First thing we're gonna do is take this bumper off and get all that worked out and put the light in the bumper. So I'm actually thinking, instead of trying to shove them through this hole right here that I already shoved all these wires through, because it's honestly gonna be a pain trying to get it through there, I think I'm gonna shove it. I'm gonna take them through this hole right here, at least one of them. Well, yeah, I'm gonna take it through that right there, and then I'm gonna need some more wire to make 2 holes. To make 2 plugs out of this one thing. All right, let's start the looming. Yes, sir.
Good weather we got going on.
Appreciate you. So, UPS just dropped off something else that's going in the box. I think these are my fender badges and my rear badge. It's the trunk badge going on the trunk. This gonna go on the steering wheel.
That's nice as hell. It's about the same price, but
The
it's got,
fender badge.
it's good.
Oh, let me shout them out. Well, I shot them out when I put them on. I'm about to add the side markers into the blank spaces in the wide body. Okay, while we still got the bumper off, 2 more things out of the big box that we could put on. So let's go to the big box. Oh, I'm gonna just grab the boxes. This is one. And then we got this one. These are 5-inch exhaust tubes, so they're pretty big. I really bought these like as for test fit purposes. And yeah, so I already put one on trying to test fit it. So we got exhaust tube in this box, and then we got brand new rear diffuser. So we're gonna put this on after we put the exhaust tips on. Okay, we got both tips on. The diffuser gonna look real good on here. So let's throw this bad boy on. Let me throw the bumper on first. We're gonna throw the bumper on first. I can already see a problem. The pipes are not coming out enough from the end, so I'm gonna have to get that extended. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get that extended tomorrow. So, but we're gonna finish up though. Here's a full look. First thing I'm gonna do in the morning is go to the exhaust shop and get them to probably lengthen the exhaust about 2 inches, and yeah, about 2 inches, so the pipes can be sticking out, because right now they too far off in there, and even if I push it up, push this up, it's still too far off in there. So yeah, that's not gonna work. But let's take the stickers out the lights and see what the lights look like. Hey, and we got side markers. I want to do the side markers blink when the signal light come on. Let's try it. Nah, they not signal light related. But it's live anyway though. Okay, that's gonna conclude today's portion of the big ass box. The next video on the box is gonna be mostly front end stuff, and I know y'all saw the door panels in there too. So I'm actually stopping the box to finish the door panels, and they're gonna have their own video. They're kind of part of the box, but they're gonna have their own video. So that's gonna be it for today. Let me give y'all a recap of where we at with the progress. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna get the exhaust lengthened, and yeah, and we're gonna be lit. We got, let's see, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I leave on Wednesday. We got 3 days left until we leave, so let's get to work. Catch y'all tomorrow.